Affary. I'm operations manager here at e-bikes for Africa. I've been here for more than 6 months now as the operations manager. I started off as an intern last year, and my total time has been a year. Here for a year. Basically, what I do on a day-to-day is ensure that activities get completed, bikes get serviced, and also since we also manufacture bikes, I ensure that the process goes run smoothly, and I also conduct quality control of the bikes that get serviced and also the ones that get manufactured. I also have a background in electrical engineering, so I also have electrical engineering duties that have to do with building solar charging stations or maybe having to maintain them, and also maintaining the batteries and so on, because we use lithium-ion batteries to power our bicycles. And also make sure that the team is well motivated and they're always, ready to do their work and they have all the tools that they need to do. That's mostly what I do on a day-to-day basis.